Jai Sri Krishna. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 10, the departure of Lord Sri Krishna for Dwarika. Here in the verse 29, it was mentioned that the children of these ladies are Pradyumna, Samba, Amba, etc. Ladies like Rukmani, Satyabhama, and Jambavati were forcibly taken away by him from their Swayamvara ceremonies after he defeated many powerful kings, headed by Shishupal, and other ladies were also forcibly taken away by him after he killed Bhaumashura and thousands of his assistants. All of these ladies are glorious. So here it is mentioned या व्रजाशुल्केन हतः स्वयंवरे स्वयंवरे प्रथम प्रमथ्ये चाह्य प्रमुख्यान हि सुस्वर्णः प्रद्युम्न संभाव सुतदेय परा यश चहर्त भौम भवदे सहस्रशः. So here the purport is exceptionally qualified daughters of powerful kings were allowed to make a choice of their own bridegrooms in open ceremony, open competition. And such ceremonies were called Swayamvara or selection of the bridegroom. Because the Swayamvara was an open competition between the rival and valiant princess. Such princes were invited by the fathers of the princess, and such prince were invited by the father of a princess. And usually they were regular fights between the invited princely order in a sporting spirit. But it is so happened that sometimes the belligerent prince were killed in such marriage fighting, and the victorious prince was offered the troops trophy princess for whom so many princes died. Rukmani, the principal queen of Lord Krishna, was the daughter of the king of Vidarbha, who wished that his qualified and beautiful daughter be given away to Lord Krishna, but her eldest brother wanted her to be given away to King Shishupal, who happened to be a cousin of Krishna. So there was open competition, and as usual, Lord Sri Krishna emerged successful after harassing Shishupal and other prince by his unrivaled prowess. Rukmani had 10 sons, like Pradyumna. There were other queens also taken away by Lord Sri Krishna in a similar way. Full description of this beautiful booty of Lord Krishna will be given in the 10th canto. There were 16,100 beautiful girls who were daughters of many kings and were forcibly stolen by Bhaman who kept them captive for his carnal desire. These girls prayed piteously to Lord Krishna for their deliverance, and the merciful Lord called by their fervent prayer, released them all by fighting and killing Bhumashura. All these captive princes were then accepted by the Lord as his wives. Although in the estimation of society they were all fallen girls, the all powerful Lord Krishna accepted the humble prayers of these girls and married them with the adoration of queens. So, altogether, Lord Krishna had 16,108 queens at Dwarika. And In each of them, he begot 10 children. All the children grew up and each had as many children as the father. The aggregate of the family numbered in the millions. So here, basically, the basically describe how Lord protect each of his devotee, and how Sisupal had killed by Lord Sri Krishna by Lord Sri Krishna, and how Omasura killed by Lord Sri Krishna and release all the beautiful lady which was stolen by Vamasura. Jai Jagannath, Jai Sri Krishna.